Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the TikTok app. Sign in if needed. Once logged in, go straight to the home feed and study what appears in for you. Tap a video that reflects content you like or dislike. Your reactions now begin steering recommendations. As you watch, make deliberate choices, like follow or long press for not interested. This rapid feedback tells the algorithm what to show more or less of, so act consistently to shape your feed. Next, refine the signal you send. When you see content you want more of, like it, follow the creator, or leave a specific comment. These positive signals increase similar recommendations. Conversely, long press a video and choose not interested to suppress topics or creators. That negative input is powerful. Visit a creator's profile to follow or browse hashtags and sounds. Doing so strengthens those topic clusters. Make sure to complete the change. Go to Settings, Content Preferences, and adjust language, interests, or clear watch history to reset personalization. This gives you a cleaner slate. Review your follow list and remove or block creators that keep surfacing unwanted posts. If your feed doesn't update after repeated interactions, try logging out, reinstalling the app, or clearing cache to force a refresh. If problems persist, contact TikTok support. They can investigate account-level recommendation issues and guide next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.